In today's consumer driven society, it is so very easy for us to get caught up in a cycle of consumption. We are constantly bombarded with messages and advertisements that are telling us that having material possession is a sign of success and happiness. But here's the thing, only truly wealthy understand the importance of financial independence and long term wealth accumulation. They understand that appearances can be deceiving and true wealth need not be always flashy. Many successful people, from tech giants to entrepreneurs, choose simplicity in their personal lives. But make no mistakes, behind the closed doors, they are making smart financial decisions that lead them to success. Winning a lottery might seem like a dream come true, but many end up broke because they spend too much and too fast. They forget about the taxes, bills, savings, and investment for the future. So, initially, even if they have millions of dollars in their bank account, they end up losing it all because they spend faster than they can earn it. And before they know it, they are in debt or even filing bankruptcy. Some of the examples are Willie Hurt, Mike Tyson, Anil Ambani, and many more. Just because someone looks rich does not mean they are, and vice versa. Many wealthy people do not choose to flaunt their wealth. Think about it, what makes people like Mark Zuckerberg, Mukesh Ambani, Warren Buffett look like ordinary people while they are the ones who are ultra rich? Because they understand that true wealth isn't about wearing fancy clothes. It is about making smart financial decisions and focusing on building true wealth because they understand that true wealth is invisible. Here are few reasons why looking poor is important. And by looking poor, I mean looking simple and modest and not flashy. Number one reason is looking rich is the quickest way to go broke. When you spend all of your money to buy things that make you look rich, like fancy car or expensive clothes or extravagant vacation, you're not thinking about the future. Sure, showing off your wealth makes you feel good, but in the long run, it is not going to give you true happiness. Luxury items often comes with hefty price tags. That fancy car needs high maintenance, your expensive clothes need dry cleaning, and extravagant vacations quickly drain your bank account. So what seems like one-time splurge quickly turn into a never-ending cycle of spending and expenditure. The more you spend on luxury items, the more you get used to that kind of lifestyle. Later, it becomes difficult for you to downsize. So, even if your income increases, you might feel pressured to maintain that kind of a lavish lifestyle. Many people, those who look rich, end up in deep debt because they use their credit cards or loans to fund that kind of a lavish lifestyle, thinking that they will pay off later. But high interest debt spiral out of control, leaving them drowning in payments and making it difficult for them to make the ends meet. When you spend all of your money to look rich, you don't have enough money to save and invest. You're not in a position to build long term wealth for your better future. Basically, it's like you're giving away your power just to look rich. So while you might look rich on the external, you are actually one paycheck away from financial disaster. Trying to look rich is like living paycheck to paycheck in disguise. While it might look glamorous on the external, but underneath the situation is very unstable. True wealth comes from smart money management, saving for future, and living within your means. So instead of chasing for appearances, focus on building true wealth. Number two reason is looking rich burdens you with liabilities. When you spend a lot of money to look rich, you end up accumulating liabilities. Liabilities are things that cost you money instead of making you money. Now, liabilities come in various forms. It can be in a form of high-end fashion, luxury vehicles, or extravagant homes. Buying expensive designer clothes, shoes, and accessories might make you look rich, but it needs costly upkeeps and also quickly loses its value. Also, this constant need to keep yourself updated with the latest trend can keep you in a cycle of overspending. While driving a luxury car might impress others, but it is a significant financial burden. Beyond its initial purchase price, Luxury vehicles come with higher insurance premiums, higher maintenance cost, and depreciation rates. So, in short, you're doing a lot to maintain an image. Buying a large and lavish house might seem like a status symbol, but with it comes higher maintenance cost, higher utility bills, and higher property taxes. All of these costs together can strain your finances, leaving you with no money for savings and investment. Spending a huge amount to buy liabilities not only strain your finances but also keeps you in a cycle of consumption where you're constantly chasing for an image of wealth instead of building true wealth. It is very important to prioritize investments that generate wealth and assets that appreciate over time rather than liabilities that drain your resources. Number three reason is looking rich keeps you in survival mode. When you are in survival mode, you are always stressed. You are stressed about money, what others think of you, and whether you'll be able to live up to others' expectations. This stress seems to never go away. It is always nagging at you. To relieve this stress, you indulge yourself into spending, like buying new clothes, expensive gadgets, or new shoes. Now, this kind of spending adds more to your stress in the long run because now you have to keep up with it. The more you spend to impress others, the more strain you put on your finances. You might end up living paycheck to paycheck or even go into debt just to maintain an image of success and happiness. At the end, what happens is no matter how much you spend to look successful and rich on the outside, it never feels enough because there is always someone who has more, someone to compare yourself to. This is how you keep chasing after the next big thing, thinking that that will keep you satisfied. All of this stress, spending, and comparison eventually leads to burnout. You feel tired all the time, both mentally and physically. You feel like you are running on empty just to keep up with the demands of survival mode. Now you're stuck in a vicious loop of stress, spending, and never feeling enough. But it doesn't have to be that way. To break out of the survival mode, you need to recognize first that true happiness and fulfillment comes from within and not from the external measures of success. It means prioritizing your well being over appearances and learning to be content with who you are. Number four reason is people view and treat you differently. When you try hard to look rich, people might see you differently. Your family and friends might feel entitled for you to help them. Some might get attracted to you because they think that you have a lot of money and they want to benefit from it. Some might even ask for money and take advantage of your generosity. But these connections might not be real. Instead, they might be interested in what they can get from you and not caring about you as a person. It's like they are only around you because they see you as a source of money and status and not because they are genuinely interested in you or want to build connection with you. Number five reason is true wealth does not need validation. When you are no more concerned about looking simple, you liberate yourself from the pressure of proving your worth through material possessions. Instead, you can focus on things that truly matters in your life, like building meaningful relationships, pursuing your passions, experiencing personal growth. All of these aspects bring richness to your life that cannot be measured by material possessions. By embracing the idea that true wealth does not need validation, you free yourself from the cycle of constantly seeking approval from others. Now you're no longer driven by the need to impress others or living up to societal expectations. Instead, you find true satisfaction in living your life more authentically and being true to yourself irrespective of external judgments. Number six reason is you realize the power of living below your means. Living below your means is like having a superpower for your finances. It means spending less than you earn. Now, this might sound very simple, but it is literally a superpower for your financial situation. When you live below your means, you can save money, get out of debt, or even have enough emergency funds. Also, it gives you the freedom to pursue your dreams without having to worry about your financial situation. Living below your means is all about making smart choices with your money so that you can live a very happy and fulfilling life. Basically, it gives you a peace of mind knowing that all your finances are within your control and you are prepared for whatever comes your way. Also, you are free from the pressure of impressing others and buying things that you don't need. Overall, living below your means is a powerful way to take charge of your financial situation. People often want to look rich because they have been taught that having material possession is a way to look successful. This is a kind of training or conditioning that we all go through from a very young age. Think about it, from TV stars to social media influencers, we have been bombarded with images of wealthy and glamorous lifestyles, screaming to us the definition and meaning of success. When we see these celebrities moving in luxury cars, living in big houses, or wearing designer clothes, we think this is how success looks like. Our friends and peers might also have a role in influencing us. They are the ones who brag about the cool stuff that they own or compare themselves with others based on material possessions. This is how, without even realizing, we start to believe that our worth is tied to material possessions. Also, there is this idea that if you look rich, people are going to respect you more and treat you better. That is how we end up chasing expensive things, wanting to fit in or impress others. It is very important to note that true financial peace comes from living within your means, saving money, and prioritizing your long term financial goals. It is about having enough money to cover emergencies, to plan your retirement, and just being mindful about your money habits. Thank you so much for watching.